Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be talking about the 5 best cryptocurrency exchanges currently available, especially in the wake of the FTX, Voyager, and Celcius crash. Cryptocurrency exchanges are a crucial part of the cryptocurrency ecosystem, allowing users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies for other assets such as fiat currencies, stablecoins, or other cryptocurrencies. With hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges available, it can be challenging to choose which one to use. In this video, we will provide you with all the information you need to make an informed decision. So let's jump right in and waste no time. Number 1. Binance. At this point, almost all people that are crypto enthusiasts know what Binance is. Binance is currently the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of trading volume, with a daily trading volume of over $300 billion. The exchange was launched in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, and it has quickly become one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges among traders. Binance offers over 100 cryptocurrencies to trade, including popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance's own native currency, BNB. The exchange's trading fee are relatively low, with a standard fee of 0.1% per trade, which can be reduced to 0.075% if paid with Binance's native cryptocurrency, BNB. Binance also offers advanced trading features such as margin trading, futures trading, and options trading, which are suitable for more experienced traders. Additionally, the exchange has a user-friendly platform that is accessible to both beginner and advanced traders. Binance has also made headlines recently for its commitment to user security. The exchange has implemented a range of security measures, including two-factor authentication, anti-phishing codes, and IP whitelisting. Binance also has a Secure Asset Fund for Users, or SAFU, that provides additional protection to its users in the event of a security breach. Binance is a well-known exchange that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including many altcoins that are not available on other exchanges. The exchange offers trading pairs with its native token, Binance Coin, which can be used to reduce trading fees. Number 2. Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally, with over 56 million registered users in over 100 countries. The exchange was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and Fred Ehrsam, and is headquartered in San Francisco, California. Coinbase is known for its user-friendly platform, which makes it easy for beginners to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. The exchange offers a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Coinbase also offers a mobile app, which makes it easy for users to manage their cryptocurrency portfolios on the go. Coinbase's fees are relatively high compared to other exchanges, with a standard fee of 1.49% per trade, which can go up to 3.99% for purchases made with a credit or debit card. However, Coinbase provides a high level of security for its users, with 98% of its customer funds held in cold storage. The exchange is also insured against theft and hacking, providing an additional layer of protection for its users. In April 2021, Coinbase went public through a direct listing on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, making it the first publicly traded cryptocurrency exchange in the United States. The listing was a massive success, with Coinbase's valuation reaching over $100 billion on its first day of trading. Coinbase is an excellent choice for users looking for a reliable and reputable cryptocurrency exchange with a user-friendly platform and a broad selection of cryptocurrencies. However, its high fees may be a concern for some users, but Coinbase is one of the most popular exchanges globally and supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many altcoins. Coinbase also supports stablecoins such as USDC and DIA, which are pegged to the value of the US dollar. At the third spot, we have Kraken, not the mythological creature, but a crypto exchange. Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2011 by Jesse Powell. The exchange has a strong reputation for security and offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Kraken offers some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, with a standard fee of 0.16% per trade, which can be reduced even further for high-volume traders. The exchange also provides advanced trading features such as margin trading and futures trading, making it an excellent choice for experienced traders. Kraken is also known for its robust security measures. The exchange stores 95% of its customer funds in cold storage, with the remaining 5% held in hot wallets for liquidity purposes. Kraken also offers two-factor authentication and email confirmations for withdrawals, as well as optional PGP email encryption for account notifications. Kraken also offers a limited but high-quality selection of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and XRP, as well as several altcoins. The exchange also offers margin trading and futures trading for experienced traders. In 2019, Kraken became the first cryptocurrency exchange to be granted a banking charter in the United States, allowing it to offer more banking-like services to its customers, such as wire transfers and debit card funding. Overall, Kraken is an excellent choice for traders looking for a secure and reliable cryptocurrency exchange with low fees and advanced trading features. Its banking charter and strong security measures make it a trusted name in the cryptocurrency industry. Let me ask you a question. Have you registered on any of the exchanges mentioned so far? If so, tell us in the comments below what exchange you're using and how it is going for you. Would love to hear from you. Also, please subscribe to the channel as that would help us produce more quality content for you, like this one. At the end of the video, we have an important message, one that would have saved a lot of people heartache in the wake of the Voyager, Celcius, and FTX crash. Stay tuned. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 4. OKX. OKX is a cryptocurrency exchange that has quickly gained popularity in the digital asset world. Launching in 2017, OKX is the second largest cryptocurrency exchange by daily trading volume, with a daily trading volume of over $5 billion, according to CoinMarketCap data. The exchange supports over 400 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, making it one of the most comprehensive exchanges in the market. With over 20 million registered users from more than 200 countries and regions, OKX is a truly global platform. OKX has implemented advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption, to ensure the safety of user funds. It is also compliant with regulatory requirements in various countries, including the United States, the United Kingdom, and Japan. In addition to its spot trading services, OKX also offers derivatives trading, margin trading, and a lending service. The exchange also provides a variety of tools for advanced traders, including API trading, trading bots, and market analysis tools. OKX has a user-friendly interface and a mobile app, making it easy for users to access and manage their accounts on the go. With its extensive range of features, top-notch security, and global support, OKX is an excellent choice for traders looking to enter the cryptocurrency market. And finally, at the last spot, we have BitGet. BitGet is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that offers a wide range of trading services to users around the world. Launched in 2018, BitGet has quickly become a top choice for traders looking to invest in cryptocurrencies. The exchange supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, making it a comprehensive platform for digital asset trading. It also offers a variety of trading services, including spot trading, derivatives trading, and margin trading. One of BitGet's unique features is its contract trading, which allows users to speculate on the future prices of cryptocurrencies without actually owning them. The exchange also offers a range of tools for advanced traders, including API trading and market analysis tools. With its advanced security measures, including two-factor authentication and encryption, BitGet ensures that user funds and data are kept safe. The exchange is also compliant with regulatory requirements in various countries, including the United States, Singapore, and Japan. BitGet has a user-friendly interface and a mobile app, making it easy for users to access and manage their accounts on the go. With its extensive range of features, top-notch security, and global support, BitGet is an excellent choice for traders looking to enter the cryptocurrency market. As you have just learned, these are all great cryptocurrency exchanges that offer a wide range of trading services to users around the world. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, these exchanges provide a user-friendly interface, advanced security measures, and a comprehensive selection of cryptocurrencies to choose from. But remember to take your coins off the exchanges if you are not trading them, and put them in cold wallet for storage so that you avoid any future issues that exchanges sometimes encounter, and you will have a peace of mind knowing your funds are safe. We have a video in our playlist that tells you about the best cold storage available. Be sure to check it out. Additionally, these exchanges all have various trading features that cater to different levels of traders. By trying out these exchanges, you'll have access to some of the most popular and trusted platforms in the digital asset world. With their competitive trading fees, extensive range of features, and top-notch security, you can be assured that your investment is in safe hands. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Your support will go a long way in helping us create more valuable videos for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on another Diversified Streams.